Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping, back with another video for you. So I got an interesting video for you guys today on a bi-weekly property back here, abandoned, behind, ditched, whatever you want to call it, behind my customer's house. Wrecked car with bullet hole, and a ricochet bullet hole coming this way. Yeah. So I already called the cops. They're going to come and take a look at it. I'll blur the license plate out so you guys can't see that. But another weird find. Not as weird as the cremation bag that I found a while back. But anyway, guys, be safe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.